Liam's vlog. It is April 11th. Believe it or not, April 11th, 2013, and it is a huge snowstorm. Just walking to work, because I work at McDonald's. So yeah, huge snowstorm going on. And this is everything that you see here basically came overnight. So it's died down for now. But this morning I couldn't even see across the street. You see that car coming in the back? I couldn't even see that far. All this fucking snow is making my feet wet and cold, and that can't be good for work. So yeah, look at all this. Thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to like, comment, rate, subscribe, and more vlogs will be coming.